are in packets. Baby food challenge and my Peach. I think she is gonna be excited. She might like it, she might not. So let's get started. Peach, what do you want to try? Sniff it. Hey Peach, put your head down.
She's ignoring you.
We got strawberry apple yogurt melts. Okay, let's open this. These are what they look like. They look like medicine. Okay, so Peach, you can try it first. She licked it. Pink! It's kind of like peach. That's you. Yeah, I'm gonna try it with her.
Peachy.
They're good. I think she gives that a 10 out of 10. She's just like,
I guess she likes having an eating partner.
I like this. It's good. Last time I had it was banana. I'll try the next one. Let me try one more. They're good. We have strawberry apple flavored puffs. This is what they look like. They're like little cereal, and they're shaped as a heart. You try it? She gives that a 10 out of 10 too. She loved that. Yeah, let me try. It's really like moist, and it is like cereal. It's not that good. You want to try it?
No thanks.
All right, guys, let's get in the good stuff. Let's open baby food. First, let's try apple. Peach tries it first. This is what the apple one looks like. It looks like applesauce, but like a darker color. I'm just gonna give her a little bit. Want some? Lick it. Yeah, lick it. She ate it all. Some, a little bit more. Yep, she ate it all. I think she liked it.
Do you want to try it? It's
No.
just like applesauce.
No, I'm not gonna try it. We got sweet potato. Oh, I know what sweet potato is. Definitely not. Oh. It got on her beard. So.
Great, we just lost power.
We lost the light. Guys, we lost electricity. And the light that we're using turned out, so. Guys, the power didn't turn on. We just went another setup. My mom has a camera, and we're sitting by my backyard. We can still do videos, so let's get into it. Next one is gonna be sweet peas. Loves the fruit, so let's see if she loves the vegetables. Let's see. Am I a vegetable fan? You like olives? She loves it. There's no more.
Wow.
She giggled it. She's like, done. There's no more. Yeah.
She's a big food fan. I didn't know that.
Let's try chicken and rice and sweet beans.
Is there beans?
Yeah, you see the picture. Fill them in the front. Chicken and rice dinner, y'all. Oh, really? Yeah, clean it off. Hey, Peach, you want some? Some more? Yeah, some right there. all.
I don't know if there's a baby food she doesn't like.
I don't know about that too. Maybe the banana and strawberry. We're gonna try the banana and strawberry. We'll see if she likes it because it has banana. Yeah, she's not a banana fan. If you saw the other one where my dog tries new food, she did not even think about it, not even a sniff, not even a touch. So let's open it.
Ooh, it's gray.
Oh, it's gray, yeah. Told you guys. Wait a second. Is that a bite? Hey, Peach.
There's still some on there. I think it's not her favorite.
It's a little bit. I think she gives it out of 5 out of 10. She doesn't really like it because of the banana, but she ate it all. I'm gonna give it 7 out of 10. I think she ate it all.
Wow, Peach, she's just so hungry today.
We're gonna do Peach because her name is Peach. If you don't know that, if you could tell she is fluffy because she took a bath yesterday, so we'll call her Fluffy Peach. It smells like pumpkin. Peach.
Oh, it's on her beard.
It's your baby sister. Wait, she doesn't want to eat her sister. That's a nice sister. But still. What? She did not eat it. That's 2 out of 10.
I can't believe the one she didn't like was Peach.
I thought she wasn't gonna like apple and strawberry. Give it a 0 out of 10. Peach, you're funny. This is beef, but that's a gross color. And there's like bubbles. Ew. Open it. I'm not gonna smell it. It might smell really greasy. Oh, that looks gross. That smells like poo. I have no idea how babies eat that. It smells like poop. Here you go. You should smell it.
Somebody just helped herself.
Here. I know it.
She loves it.
She ate it. What it? Baby. No wonder she likes it because it smells like dog poop. This is turkey and gravy. It's a kind of gross color. Let's open it. I hope it doesn't smell horrible. Oh my! You smell it. You smell it. You smell it. You smell it. You smell it.
It smells good. It smells like Thanksgiving.
Oh my God!
Here, Peachy. What do you think?
Oh, that smells so gross. Like and subscribe if you like this video. We'll see you next time. Peace!